How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. Today I'm gonna review a computer riser. Now, what the heck is it? I've never used one, so let's find out. Here it is, the computer riser from Flexispot. Flexispot has graciously supplied this computer riser for me to review. Nothing else inside. Now you got some of these manual things. We don't need any of that. You can take it and go. This is quite heavy. I think it's, the box says is 17.6 pounds. But my problem here is trying to get this open without the manual. Hello? Oh, I touched something greasy. Like, I touched part of the spring over here. It's greasy. I gotta wash my hands. Okay, hands washed. This is probably quite dangerous because it's spring loaded and I really don't want this to fly in my face and hit me. Oh, okay. So there's two levers here. There's one lever on the underside. Okay, this is like a locking mechanism over here. This can go all the way down. You lock it in place and it won't fly open and hit you. If you unlock it, now it's gonna fly in your face if I push this lever. So let's see. Yeah. This is gonna be interesting. And now let's see TRex Fly. There's one long spring over here, and there's also some sort of spring-loaded thing in this hinge and also in this hinge. It's going to stay up like this. I wonder if it will do in between. Yes, it'll do in between. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. You got 4 levels to choose from over here. Well, certainly you cannot do that bouncing trick when this table thing is not upside down because this little platform thing is made out of wood and it's a lot heavier. So the springs cannot just kind of boing and toss T-Rex away. Obviously, that's not the intended use of this elevator thing for your laptop. One thing to know about this thing is that this is for a laptop, not for a monitor, because if you put a desktop monitor on here, and also your keyboard or whatever, it's not going to work because the spring force is not strong enough for you to put a heavy monitor on here. So this thing is for laptop only. Now I got a lot of stuff over here, and if you have maybe like a second monitor, well, it's not going to work with this thing because you're gonna not be able to put this on this platform. It needs to be just one single laptop thing and your mouse, and you're likely going to connect your AC adapter or whatever on here. And with all this weight, this is about 5 pounds of stuff, it will go down and I can pretty effortlessly make it come up. Not bad. And you know why people need a desk riser like this is because when people generally sit down in the office 8 hours a day, your body deteriorates. It's meant to need to get up a little bit, and it's gonna be a lot healthier for you if you stand more of the time rather than just remain sedentary at your cubicle desk all day long. So it does come up, and the way to adjust this is when you're standing up, you want your elbows to be over here, and you make your arms kind of like parallel to the ground, and you want your elbows to be slightly above this platform. If I'm standing relaxed with my shoulders resting downwards, my elbows are right over here, but ergonomically I still think it's a lot better if you're looking straight on. So you actually might want your laptop to be even a little bit higher so that when you're looking straight, you look at the monitor, and then your keyboard is somewhere down here. So you might need this to be risen up, another 8 inches or so. So that's a review of this computer riser. I hope you guys found this interesting. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a like on this video. Comment down below. Let me know if something like this would definitely help you out. If you're interested in this product, I'll leave an affiliate link down in the video description below. And as always, don't forget to give me a like on this video, push that subscribe button, and ring that bell icon. Thanks for watching.